Happy Tuesday. And it is car wash day. On my way to get washed, waxed. And yeah, man, I woke up. I got so much sleep. It's so awesome. I don't even know what time it is. It's close to 7 o'clock. Close to 7 o'clock. Watch how close the car wash is to me. If I hit the lights, it's like 5 minutes. Anyways, I say happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. I thought it was Wednesday. Cheers. Just washed them up yesterday, and it snowed and rained. But I don't care, because it's $25 a month. I mean, you can wash them as much as you want. And then I wake up, I go outside this puff one, and I'm like, hey, we'll go right up to the car wash and do it. Because, man, the birds were relentless on this one. It hasn't even been 24 hours yet. They were so happy to see I got it washed. They came right over and said, here we go, buddy. Want to talk about something cool, man. I am happy to say that I have made a new friend. And I don't throw friendship around lightly. And honestly, I don't want to have any friends. Or I don't want to say any friends, but, friendship means a lot. For me to claim you as a friend, you gotta be fucking one dope-ass special individual. It pretty much started. We both got dope rides and shit. So he's like, bro, I wash my car every day. And I'm like, yeah, I like that. So I got on the washing my car every day thing. Oh, it's going to be a nice long extendo video because we're catching every lake. And ever since then, I haven't been doing it every day, but when it's nice out and I wake up and I feel like it, I need to get a better system with my, what are these called? Microfiber towels. Because detailing, well, it's a different story. But I buy a 2-pack every time I go to the grocery store. They're really nice to have, dry them down, but I was washing the windows in the Explorer. I got to do them real good and frequently because I smoke in there, both vehicles. And I accidentally washed the windows with the dashboard cleaner. That with the wipes. They're what? Oh man, it is what it is. It ended up being fine, but man, I felt like a doofus. We're almost there. These are the lights that we gotta catch. We caught 2 out of 3. And we almost cleaning. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna vacuum them today because I just vacuumed them yesterday. So that's what's cool. Even if you get them washed and it rains that day, well, at least if you go in there and vacuum them out and clean up the interior and stuff, you were productive. But yeah, I really like that. And if I get on the wash every day thing, it's fine. It's $25 a month for each ride. $50 a month, but it's something to do. The attendants are pretty cool. Yeah, there's this one guy. I'll give him $20 if he's there today. He just dances and puts everybody in a good mood. Everybody in a good mood. And it's just straight up dancing. This is the awkward part. Waiting on, oh gosh. Yeah, what? 4:42. I said it's 5 minutes away. We may be in the car wash in less than 5 minutes. Boom, 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 boom. No vacuum zone. no vacuum zone. Did it yesterday. Did it yesterday. It's cool. Once you're already paid. This dude just totally went ahead of me. That's fine. You snooze, you lose. He was so salt. This is 2 lanes. Come on, dancing guy. Come on, dancing guy. No, not the dancing guy. That's okay. This guy looks sad. Oh, here we go. Line it up. Uh-oh, these tracks are kind of sus, but oh well. Waving me in, waving me in, waving me in, waving me in, and stop. Thanks, buddy. And we're about to be washed. Here we go, and away we go. Make sure the windows are all the way up. Get a nice sip. 6 minutes and 30 seconds in the video. We are already in the car wash. There we go with the soap coming. It says fold the mirrors in. And I did it first and just like, we'll just knock them right out. So, look at the colors. It's different colors. Get all the bird poop off. Just to get more bird poop on. I need a new roof already. I looked online. So I only need like this one. It's 3 different pieces. It's really 4 different pieces. I think I need this one for sure. Yeah, I can feel air coming in. Air coming in. It's alright, it's summertime. This roof ain't gonna be on at all. Here in a month or so, this roof is gonna be gone. But yeah, I looked online, and it's like $5,000, but that's for like the back part of the roof that I don't need. So I don't know how much it's gonna be, but I'm gonna buy another roof anyways, just because we're not even gonna check what she looks like. We ain't even go wipe her down yet. We just gonna go see how quick we could get 2 vehicles washed. It says it's 45 degrees. I came out in my winter coat and the sun's out, and as soon as I sat in there, the sun's in there, I'm like, it's hot. Well, it was like only 37 degrees. I was 45. What we are gonna do is we're gonna put her in sport mode, and we're gonna get it nice and washed up, dried off on the highway. Here we go. Oh my gosh, we got a green light. What is going on today? Here we go, baby. Let's hit the highway. Yeah. Woo. 0 to 60 in like 3 seconds. Well, 55. I like 5 over the speed limit. Optimal is 8 over the speed limit. 9 pay the fine. Yeah, we get it dried off nice and good. Now I'm going to take the extended highway trip. Even though, how did we get so lucky? You know what's funny? This is a V6 2.7. The Explorer, I think, is faster and quicker than this thing. That's an i4. Those new engines, 2025 engines, I think they're called NPCs. Fucking badass. This one's pretty cool. I like this one a lot. But I love that Explorer engine. It's so quick. I noticed the difference. And you only have to get the oil changed every 7,500 miles. This one's 5,000. Still got 2,000 more miles in this one. Here we go. Oh my gosh, they're gonna let me open it up a little bit. Wow. Wow. You're getting nice and dried off. Dry off. I feel air. Where's the air coming from? Is that coming from? Alright, I had the heat on. No. It doesn't really matter because, like I said, the roof's going to be off here. And hopefully soon. But yeah. Oh yeah, so it was like, for all 4 parts, including the back part, what I don't need is like $5,000. But I don't need a complete new roof. I just need the 3 parts. I think the car wash messes everything up, but I don't care. I like going to the car wash. I don't know what it is. Oh, I got these new things. They're cool. They're, to help you get up in the ride. Got 4 of these bubbies. Hold on to your ass, Fred. How long has it been? 12 minutes, but we took the drying route home. We could have been home already. But we took the drying route. Beep, bop, boop, bop, bop. Bop, boop, boop, bop. Sitting at the light. But man, I feel like Ice Cube. I ain't sitting too long at lights. Just waking up in the morning, God, thank God. I don't know, but today seemed kinda odd. The box from the door, small. Mama cooked me breakfast, no hole. Do you guys wipe down your windows with the microfiber after? I do. I don't know what to do with windows. No, I'm gonna clean them again soon. This was the quickest light ever. Quickest light ever. Wash, dry, rinse, repeat. That's really cool though. $50 a month. Both rides, you can get them washed as much as you want. There's a package above the one I didn't get. Above it. Like I said, I watched them both yesterday. Something to do. Just get in the car instead of standing in the garage smoking cigarettes. Get in the car, drive up to the wash, get it done. Because I'm planning on trading both these in. I don't know, I might keep the Bronco if it starts acting right. Because that thing is, I love this. But, you know, good old Ford. good old Ford Tough. You need two of them. One to drive, and one to drive when the other one's in the shop. Just like a Jaguar. But hopefully that changes. And I got it covered. Got a lot of cigarette ashes on the Explorer. Alright, let's switch up the rides. Not even gonna pause yet. Just gonna roll through and see what she looks like. We might stop this after this one, and oh, this one needs a bed. I just washed it yesterday. How'd the ashes get up on the front? Oh, because I sit in it and smoke. Here we go. I forgot my drink. You do something to me that I can't explain. Hold me closer, darling, and I feel no pain. Every beat of my heart, we've got something going on. Ride 2. We're 16 minutes into the video, 17 minutes in. One ride. So fresh and so clean. Got the obnoxious heat on. I'll hit my house. Don't hit my house. Yeah. This one has like real seats and fabric and stuff, so I might vacuum this one out again. Just got done yesterday, but this is my baby. So comfortable. Like, this is the road trip ride, the daily commuter, my workhorse. My workhorse. Kind of miss my Fusion, because that thing made me a lot of money. And I didn't start having problems till I traded in. Right when the problem started and I was going to have to put money into it, I'm like, bye, Felicia. I love you, buddy, but no. You're getting traded in. And Fuse Dog did a good job. Made me $2,600 towards this. Made me a lot of money. Still made money off of it. Buying cars are a good investment. Leasing, just buy it. Because when you go trade it in, keep the mileage low. I got to tell you, when I trade both these in, they're going to have about 20,000 miles on them. That's the plan. And it's going to be in another 4 years. So when I'm ready to buy some like 29s, like I'm looking at an Expedition in 29 or Navigator. I haven't decided yet. It's still, a couple years away. Keep the mileage nice and low. I don't even think you have to keep it too nice and clean. Like, it doesn't have to be perfect. You're still gonna make money off of them. And you get fresh ride every couple years, but you actually get money when you trade it in. Money towards it. When you lease, no, you're just renting it, and then you could buy it. Well, skip the bull crap. Just buy it right away, and then keep on trading. I am the trading man. Double green lights. Listen to this baby go. These engines are so sick. Love them. 20 minutes in, we're almost done. I don't think this one needs vacuum today. Dash still looks nice. Because I think I just did them again. I don't know. I'm here all the time. It's so awesome. I wake up, I go outside. If it's nice outside, I'm like, gonna wash the rides. There we go. This thing is so awesome. I think that's so awesome how that dude just sped right by me and went to the outside gate and beat me in. Like, that dude wasn't playing. That guy's my hero of the day. They're off to find the hero of the day. That guy's name's Jerry. My name used to be Jerry until I said, people quit calling me Jerry. You call me Jerry, I ain't gonna give you no fucking time of day. Thanks, buddy. You say it best when you say nothing at all. 21 minutes into the video. We are second ride in. So it's nice to have a car with a full roof. Sometimes you take roofs for granted. It's time to take roofs for granted. And then you gotta buy a new one. I like this car because it has a roof. This is so comfy. I don't even have the heated seats on full yet. Oh yeah, here it is. I washed my windows with those the other day. They still look good. I mean, they did a good job. Expecting film and stuff to be on them. No. Perfect. Yeah, every time you pull out, there's a whole bank of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's about 15 places to 15 bays to vacuum your ride out every time you get done. And they give you these. You get one of these or a couple of these every time you get them done. I just buy my own just because these are good to have. So yeah, I don't feel like vacuuming today because I just did them yesterday. So no need. Now's the fun part. We hit the highway to dry them off. We hit the highway to dry them off. Dang, I got so much sleep today. It was so awesome. Well, I initially, I don't know, I had like 3 hours and I woke up. I went right to Jimmy John's. 2 number 9. Jimmy John's toasted subs now. Oh my gosh, we are one step closer to world peace with Jimmy John's toasting their subs. I'll tell you what. And I could tell it's catching on because Before I go there, it's never a wait. Obviously, it's a little longer wait because they're toasting their subs and it takes a little longer. But two, yeah, more people are there. Yeah, we didn't get so lucky this time. I didn't get to take off right off the rip. Here we go. Let's see, it's 0 to 60 and see how quick we go 0 to 60. Turn on, car. Here we go. Air 60. I was a little slow on my reflexes. I didn't gun it enough. See, I'd been swimming in the pool all day, so I had chlorine in my eyes. Just I don't feel like taking the long way or the extendo dry. I don't have to because I could just get out and dry it. Extendo long is this extension cord? If I was first, I would. But no. No, let's just go home. Let's just go home. Oh my gosh, that is the best license plate I've ever seen. It's you people. And I agree. Gosh, props to you, Miss Kia Sportage lady. Or dude. Lady. It's a lady. You people. The word of the day. She ain't lying. She ain't lying. Bum, 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 bum. Get. I don't know what the difference between these and the ones in the automotive section and the ones in the cleaning section are. But you get one less, and they're $2 more. So they're better, because you get what you pay for. I get them from the automotive section, they're $5 for 2. Get them in the regular cleaning section, they're $3 for 3. Or 4. I haven't opened them yet, because they're cheap, and I don't want to use them. Only the best for... I gotta wash them all up and see what's going on. Wash them all up. So that's my last clean one. I got like 80 million of them. The life of a car washer guy. What? It's only been a half hour. Took me a half hour, both rides washed. Back home, I go spend another half hour just smoking cigarettes and watching Captain Kangaroo and drying them off. Maybe wipe down the interior. I don't know, but hour out of my day, it ain't nothing. I'd just be playing a game of chess or something, or singing silly songs. Yeah, I think I'm going to do Islands in the Stream. I think I'm going to sing that today. You do something to me that I can't explain. Hold me closer, darling, and I feel no pain. Cigarettes are awesome. Every beat of my heart, we got something going on. That sun is shining good. It's down to 33 degrees now. I don't know what's going on, but it's hot in here. Time to dry him off. I bet the Bronco has bird shit on it already. That's okay. Bird shit's good luck. It still has bird shit on the inside for sure. I see it and I always forget to wipe it down. No, I wipe it down. It's just like hidden, like, oh well. Plenty more shit to, yep, they're there. I don't get mad because I park right under power lines. Park under power lines, you can get shit on your ride. There it is, 30-30. 30 for 30. Got 2 rides washed. I'm gonna wipe them down. And, yeah, have a wonderful day. See you on the flip side.